Hello, welcome back. This is the channel of Golden Fish John, and today, uh, this topic is about self-introduction, and let me save the word and dive into it. Okay, my name is John, and I'm a Taiwanese, 33 years old, currently working for a software company as a front-end developer. The mainly used front-end framework is Angular, and our product is a system for disaster reporting which involves world map. For showing the report map, we use Map.gl JS library to do that. The main problems for me to deal with is that I have to manipulate the switching of map layers, and are the data stored in the state store of the frontend. It's quite hard to understand and resolve because it's a project that has been developing for at least 7 years, and there are a lot of legacy code. Also, the project is built on Angular, and the Angular uses RxJS, which is a library based on the publish-subscriber pattern to deal with asynchronous or callback-based code. Because of that, it makes it harder for me to develop new features and debug. For example, once I encountered a bug that the chart view couldn't show data after group switching, and there were no error messages, which meant no clues. I tried countless times to find where was the problem, and in the end, I found it by the traditional way. Console.log. I found that it was caused by RxJS. The observable got the data for the first time when the chart component was created, then the component was destroyed after switching to another group. But the instance of the observable wasn't destroyed along with the chart component, so the observable was still there and it kept the previous data state. Because of the reason, when I switched back to the previous group, the chart component was recreated again, and it noticed that the observable had the previous data in it, so it didn't fetch data and didn't use the old data either. That's why the chart component didn't display data. The solution that I used to fix this issue is to delay the chart component to fetch data each time the chart component is being initiated, and these can also make sure the chart always displays the latest data. Yep, the problem is gone. Finally, I have fixed a lot of different bugs, and the one that I just mentioned is the most impressive bug. By the way, our app uses object-oriented programming, so I am confused by these quite often. I never know who is these. Oh, our app uses an NGRX as well, a state management tool, which confuses me too, because of many middlewares. I have been talking too long and too much. Anyway, let me wrap up here. I love problem solving, so I will keep learning how to write good code and practicing English. See you next time. Bye bye.